Hello and welcome to the step 2 video of the project for making masks. Thank you again for volunteering, and here we go. So after step 1 you should have all your masks looking like this, and this is where you take out your nose wires, and these will go across the bridge of the nose to make sure the mask fits well and will stay in shape. So the thing you want to do is to open the hole from earlier and stick the bridge in and sort of feel where it is and move it around until it gets to the top of the mask, sort of to the top, yeah. And you want to sort of center it at the top in the middle of the side that has the long yarns. Make sure to have it on the top at the side with the long yarns, because that is the side where the top of the mask is and where their nose will be. And if you put it on the bottom, it'll have to be redone, which is just not very fun to do because you'll have to pick things and then re-sew and stuff. So once you have it about centered, you take some pins and you sort of find where the edge is and you pin it in place. And then you find the other edge, you put another pin there. And these pins have to be just under it, so they create sort of a floor underneath the wire. Then you pull out, once again, the sewing machine. And so what we're going to be doing is sewing along this line. And so I've set up the pins so that they are facing towards me, so that as I sew down this line, so I have it over here so that when I start sewing down, I can pull out each of the needles as the sewing machine gets closer to them. And you want to make sure that the foot is positioned directly on the edge of the mask. Make sure that the needle is completely to the far right position. Then you just sew a little bit, back stitch, when you get to about here, you can pull out the first needle and you sew one part of it. And you pull out the second needle. And you go right around there. You back stitch, forward stitch, you pull it out, pull out your snippers, cut, fix the thread, and once you've cut off all the pieces of thread, that's step 2. Congratulations, you're ready for step 3.